So we've had the bees here, a couple of months now, maybe 6 weeks of that, and definitely from the family point of view, it's been great. We have an 8-year-old lad here, Ben, and he's been out with me a couple of times. Little bit slow the first time, but he's really starting to get into it now. And for myself, it's been a real introduction to a different side of nature and learning things there. They're an amazing animal, and we have a mentor here in Jude. He's been to us twice, and he, even in the 2 visits he's been here, the amount of stuff he's been able to tell us and show us, they are amazing animals. So it's great for us as a family, hopefully great for us as a farm, and as Jennifer was saying, for the community, that we can get them involved some way, be it through the schools or whatever, or try and spread the word or educate other people that in the same way that we're learning the whole thing. So yeah, definitely it's going to be fun, and it's going to be a lot of learning, so that's good too.
Yeah, so I suppose a lot of what I'd like to get involved in is involving the rest of the community, the schools, the creche. We do social farming here as well, so I think it'd be a really interesting thing from a social farming point of view to see the bees and the honey and all the process and everything like that. And then again, like looking after the environment, getting more people in and around the local area involved in what we're doing here, and hopefully they'll take up the opportunity as well. Be it from planting something to help bees or taking on bees themselves. I think it'd be brilliant. We could really build something from it, and they're so interesting.
Yeah, they are.
As Ed says, we're learning loads, and they really are really interesting, and we eat a lot of honey, so we can't wait for the rewards of that as well.